guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time on this channel, you're very welcome, and you have not missed anything. You've not missed a lot. All you just need to do is just get yourself your time to watch all our previous videos. Yeah, you're welcome, and please do not go without subscribing to this channel, because we have a lot coming up on this channel. It's not going to be boring. You will enjoy your time on this channel. Please press the subscribe button, press the notification button, and please like and share, because when you press the notification button, when I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you quickly. So, and to my returning subscribers, I'm saying a very, very big thank you to you guys. Thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Yeah, today I don't have much to do today. I'm just going to vlog my day. It's not going to be any particular recipe, or it's not going to be cooking video. So I'm just going to vlog my daily activity, what I'm going to do today. So I just came downstairs now, and I'm going to have my breakfast. It's actually, Alex, what time is it now? Yeah, it's 11:30 now here in Ireland. So I'm going to have my breakfast. Then my son is going somewhere, so I'm just going to quickly drop him at the train station. Then I'll come back home. I have the pan. Oh, I'm a cook. Yeah, I may not show the whole recipe. I may just carry you. It may not be cook with me. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to cook our dinner today. We're going to have roast potato and pork loin. So that's what I'm going to cook for dinner. And I may decide to to change it to cooking video. So let's see as it goes anyways. So I'm going to the kitchen. I'm going to have my breakfast. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm going out now. I'm taking my son to the train station. Then I'll come back home to do some cooking or some sort of anything I can do. I can share with you guys. So I'll see you guys later. Where's my bag? Yeah, it's waiting for me in the car. So I think I'll be able to do something tangible when I come back. I really want to cook ogbono too. I feel like eating ogbono, but I don't know if I'll be able to do it this week. And I'll share the beautiful recipe with you guys. Hi guys. Yeah, I've been able to drop my son at the train station. I'm still at the car park anyway. So I'm going back home now, and I'm going to look for something to do. I've told you I'm just going to vlog my whole day for you today. It's not going to be anything special. I don't know how the video is going to turn. It could end up in cooking. It could end up to anything. I don't know. So as my day goes today, I'll just be vlogging and be showing you. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Hi guys. Now I'm back home alone. The house is so silent. Every one of them have gone. They've gone back to school. So I'm only in alone, enjoying the the peaceful house. At least they will be back till they will be back at maybe around 4. I'll have the house to myself. So quickly, I just want to do some house chores, some washing, some cooking and everything, and I'll carry you along as I go. So I want to cook sauce. I want to make stew. So I'm going to blend this quickly now. Cook that, then I'm going to make tomato stew. Then I want to make roast potato. So that's all. Then I'll go to the living room, watch some movies, do some editing, enjoy myself. Nothing. I don't know where this video is going to. I don't know how it's going to go. Let's just keep it going. Yeah. So I'm having a portion of our cheesecake that we made 2 days ago. It's lovely. I like cheesecakes. I like eating it, but I don't usually eat it often. But when I want to eat it, I want to eat it, and I want to enjoy it. I've not actually eaten anything except from the fruit I ate before I took my son to the train station. So this is what I'm eating next, actually. It should be my dessert. But I'm using it as my lunch, which is awkward. Yeah, but okay. Once in a while, we break the rules. Yeah. Back from school, guys, and she's looking so gorgeous, and she allowed me to vlog her. Is that not wonderful? Now meet my beautiful girl. Yes, say hi. Can you talk?
Hi.
So how was school? Tell me about it. So are you the only one in your class?
I'm the only black girl in my phone.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
What happened?
I don't know. And then the thing is that's the base class. We're together for religion, PE, well-being, literally like everything. Well, not everything, but yeah. And then I don't really have any classes with my friends.
Oh wow. So what happened is she was...
I don't have any friends.
Oh wow. Look at that, guys. My daughter had been with her friends since first year, and now she's in her 5th year, and she was moved to a different class entirely. Now she has no friend there. Don't worry, we make friends with them. But do you like it? Was there lecture today? Do you have no? But do you like the also you're the only black girl there? Don't worry, it's okay. You'll be fine, okay? You quickly make friends with them. No. So good change. I love your hair. Come and show your hair to my viewers. Look at my baby's gorgeous hair. Yes, yes, yes. Lovely. So I'm trying to cook roast potato. Would you like to eat that?
Not really hungry. What time is it?
It's just 1:45. So go have fun in your room and start your assignment or homework, whatever it's called.
Okay.
You're welcome back to our Motivational Lounge. Yes, our motivational quote for today is from an unknown author. The author is not known, but it's a very powerful one. It says, you don't have to be great to start. You have to start to be great. Can you hear that? You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. That is it. What is that plan that you have in your mind that you have been planning and you are working towards, and you believe, oh, I've not attained that level, I've not achieved all the things that I will need to start this endeavor, all the things that I will need to start this business or anything, whatever it is. Is it because you want to go back to school? Is it you want to start a new business? Is it you want to start a new, it could be as little as this YouTube that we're doing, you know, but you have to start. You don't have to gather everything. Everything doesn't have to be okay for you to start. Start from where you are. Start little so that you can become great. You say you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Look at all these powerful people that we're talking about today. Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, and everything. All of them, they started from from nowhere, from the little thing that they had. And look at them now, they are big, everybody is talking about them. For example, if you have, maybe you want to start a business and what it entails is 10,000 euros, and you believe, oh, you don't have the euro with you, I don't have 10,000 with me now, so let me keep saving till I will have that 10,000 so that I will start my business. Let me shock you. By the time you get that 10,000 euros, things would have skyrocketed, things would have gone up, because the world is changing, it's revolving. So the price of today, in 3 years time, things that you bought for 500 euro today, maybe like 550, 600 next year, or in 2 years time. So that means that 10,000 that you have spent years to save will become, it has lost its value. But if you don't have the 10,000, can you start with 2,000? Can you start with 3,000 and keep like plowing back your profit? If it's a business, whatever little profit that you gain from it, you plow it back into the business. So whatever you want to do, don't think that, oh, everything has to be perfect before I will start. If you want to be great, start from where you are. Start from where you are. Start from the little you have. That is our quote for today. That is our motivation for today. Do not wait to be great before you start. Start so that you can be great. All right? You want to achieve success in life, start now. You want to do anything tangible, anything worthy of emulation, worthy of credibility, worthy of praise, you have to start now. Thanks for watching. Hey guys. I finished cooking. I finished everything for today. And the children are back home, so they're upstairs there. So I'm just in the living room, relaxing. I don't have much to do, so I just want to watch Netflix now, do some editing, and that's it. So I'm not going to cook. I just finished cooking the stew, so I want to watch. I want to relax. I just don't want to be like doing too much, because I noticed that when I'm off, I engage myself with work and everything. I don't get to relax. So I want to have a change of life this period. So I have cooked stew now. That is okay for today. Let me just relax, cool down my nerves, enjoy myself. So that's it. So I'm going to watch Netflix now. So tomorrow, I'm so sorry, tomorrow, I promised you guys that I was going to do the roast potato, but tomorrow I will do it. Bear with me. So that is how my day went today. Let me show you my, I don't know if you guys can see. Is it showing the Netflix? Yeah. I love that program, Selling Sunset. It's so lovely. I've not watched it in a long while, so I'll watch it now. And when you see the houses that they are selling and everything, you'll be wondering, wow, who lives in this type of house? It's beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please now subscribe, share this channel, and please click the like button, comment, give us good comments, and please share with family and friends. Thanks, guys. Thanks very much. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.